Hi friends, today I will show you how to install Notepad++. Yeah, first of all go to browser, just type here Notepad++. Yeah, see here Notepad+ home page is there. Just click on that and download. Download Notepad++. Yeah, see here downloading Notepad++ exe file. After completion of Notepad++, just click on that. Otherwise, go to download folder. It is better to view the location of download. Just double enter or double choose S button. Yeah, here select the preferred language. So many languages are there. Select one of the language. Click on OK. After that, click next button. This is the agreement of license agreement of Notepad++. Just click I agree button. Choose if you want to change the installation location. Browse here and select the. Otherwise, now I am doing C in C only. Just click on next button. Don't touch all those things. These are all important things only. Just click on next button. Yeah, here it is showing. If you want to shortcut of Notepad++, just click this one and allow plugins, all those things. But no need to these things. Just click on create shortcut button. We will created one shortcut icon into our desktop. After that, click on install. Your files are installing. See here, it is Notepad++ shortcut button. Yeah, click finish button. This is the Notepad++ window. Here you can edit the notes or any programming language code also. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, just click on subscribe button. Thank you so much.